Hello friends, my name is Prajita Lokhande. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My subject is Human Resource Management, and today the topic of my presentation is motivation. So welcome to the presentation. Motivation. So motivation is very important for any organization. Motivation helps a person to achieve the goal. Sometimes we lost our motivation, but the performance of the organization decreases. Some process or technique can be increased. Some process like can be increase the motivation of any employee. In this presentation we will get clear idea about motivation, why motivation decreases, and how we increase the motivation. So moving further, so let's see the contents of the presentation. First is the nature of the motivation. Next is what is motivation, and next is importance of motivation, and motivation process, and last is types of motivation. So we will see the session overview. In dealing with the employees, an intangible factor of will or the freedom of choice is introduced, and employees or increase or decrease their productivity as they choose. So this human quality gives us rise to the need for the positive motivation. An employee performance can be defined as being determined by the interaction between the ability and the motivation. So performance is equal to ability into motivation. The first ability determines what he can do, the second motivation determines what he will do. So, therefore, the motivation is a key element in the management employee. So, it is of most important. So, next is motivation. So, we will see what is motivation. So, motivation is a characteristic that helps us to achieve our goal. It is derived that pushes to do us to do work hard, and it is energy that gives us strength to get up and keep going. So, even when the things are not going our way. So, motivation is generally defined as a force that compels us to action. So, it derives us to work hard and pushes us to succeed. So, motivation influences our behavior and our ability to accomplish goals. So, motivation refers to the state within a person or animal that derives behavior toward some goals. It's written by the Morgan King. So, we will see importance of motivation. Why motivation is important? So, motivation is important in getting and retaining people. Motivation tool act as a glue that links individuals to organizational goals. In addition, make the individuals go beyond the job and be creative. Motivation is important in business because it impacts mental and physical human resource. So highly motivated individuals and staff have the willingness to get the job done efficiently and effectively. So resulting in the higher productivity, increased revenue, cost savings, and satisfy employees and business owners. Next is the process of motivation. So what will be the motivation process? So in the simplest form, the motivational process begins with the end and the individual perception of a difference. For instance, an employee might feel like the need for any more challenging work, for the higher pay, for the time off, or the respect administration of colleagues. So when an employee achieves the goal with the fulfillment, then reduce the tension. So next we will see the type of motivation. The types of motivation. So there are the two types: intrinsic and extrinsic. So first type is motivation is intrinsic motivation. So intrinsic motivation means that the individual motivational stimuli are coming from within, and so our deep rooted desires have the highest motivational powers. Below our some examples. So acceptance, we all need to feel that we are, as well as decisions we are accepted by our co-workers. Curiosity, we all have to desire to be in the known. Honor, we all need to respect the rules and to be the ethical. Independence, we all need to feel we are unique. Next is order, we all need to be organized. Power, we all have to desire to be the able to have the influence. Social contract, we all need to have some social infection. interactions. And last one is social status. So we all have to desire to feel important. So next type is extrinsic motivation. So this motivation means that individuals' motivational stimuli are coming from outside. So this motivation is external in nature. The most well known are the most debated motivational is money. So below are the some examples. So employee of the most awarded benefit package, bonuses, organized activities.